Okay, so we're gonna redo this electric right now, or take it apart. We're actually moving this water heater to a new location. So obviously, I think we checked to make sure it was off of the breaker, but I'm not really sure. No, we're fine actually, it's working just fine. I did check to make sure it was off of the breaker. So we can take this all apart. And one more piece done. Okay, so we're ready to move this water heater. This is the old water heater roll trick. We're just going to roll it down to its new location. Sort of get it in the position that we want it and set it into place. Okay, great. Okay, we've moved the water heater and now we are reconnecting the hot lines from the new water heater location to where the existing hot lines were run. We've already completed the cold line. This is the cold line from the new heater location going out to the house. So a little bit longer, we'll have it all finished up. What I'm using here is a tubing bender. Instead of using a fitting, you can use this support tubing bender to make the turn. We're just finishing up with this project. We moved the water heater here. First I'll show you where the water heater was. The water heater was right down here in this space, and remember they wanted to finish this space, so they needed some more room here. So we took the water heater and we moved it over into this space, and it's all put back together. Electric is done like it should be. We have an expansion tank, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the water onto it. Lines have been tied back in. So we're good to go. This will fill up. It'll take a little time, and then once it's full, we'll turn the breaker on at the electric panel, and they'll have hot water back in about 30-40 minutes. So all set, another job done.